Everyone, it's Kim, the Homeschooling Grammy, and today I have a mega homeschool unboxing to do for you all. I am super excited about this. This is totally brand new to us. I have never used this curriculum before, and it is something that we have looked at for many years. A very good friend of mine that I've been friends with since middle school used this curriculum for her children, and she has always said to me, Kim, you need to try Sonlight, you need to try Sonlight. And I'm really now realizing that I should have tried this a long time ago. And so if you are interested, stick around and we will get started. I need to be a little bit shorter. Ahead of time that I pulled all the packing and stuff out of here already, just so we didn't have to waste time doing that. So the packing slip was on the very top of the box. The next thing is the binder. So there's this Sonlight 3-ring binder, and as you can see, like, it is divided into weeks. So I'm totally new with this, so there's going to be some videos coming out. And it's going to be a really cool video coming out really soon because I purchased something to help me deal with all the books that are Sonlight. You're going to see me like trying to drop stuff on the side. So they also sent me this really nice bag. Look at how nice this bag is. The Sonlight bag. Like a over-the-shoulder bag or handheld bag. It's really nice. And who can't use a bag, right? All right. So first thing on the top is this My Memory book. So there's a memory book in here. There is also a journal. And, oh my goodness, there's so many books in here. Like, seriously, there's so many books. I'm so excited. We're going to be like in reading heaven. Then there's a CD called God Our Provider, Sing the Word. So these are children's scripture songs from the Harrell family. Also in here is a science kit. And I'm going to do more in-depth videos of all of this stuff and what we're going to use, how we're going to be using it, all of that, once I figure it out, because I have to figure this out for myself. Also, there is Discover and Do Level 1 in Quiz-A-Kids. That obviously goes to the science portion of this curriculum. And here we go. Let's start with the books. Keep the Lights Burning, Abby. I Can Read the Long Way to a New Land. I Can Read the Long Way Westward. Steps into Reading Tut's Mummy Lost and Found. Pasture's Fight Against Microbes. So obviously these are not in any specific order. 104 Poems of Whimsy and Wisdom to Delight Children of All Ages. Sorry about the reflection. I'll try to keep that off there. Tales of Robin Hood, illustrated by Ron Tyner. Why Do People Eat? Window on the World and Operation World Prayer Resource. And the reason, one of the other reasons that we chose, well, one of the many reasons that we chose this curriculum, number one was that it's Christian-based. And number two, that it's literature-based. And what I have learned in the last year or so is how much I love literature-based learning. And so does Hope. I Wonder Space, Open Your Eyes to a World of Discovery. The Usborne Book of Science Activities, Volume 1. Trying to be quiet about putting these down at my feet. The Secret Valley. Tippy Lemmy. The Door in the Wall, The Cricket in Times Square. So make sure that you stay tuned to my channel because we're going to be doing what we read every month. And so you'll get a more in-depth peek at what we've been reading. The Littles, The School Story, The 21 Balloons, Homer Price, Third Grade Detectives, The Mystery of the Stolen Statue, Tornado, Jake Drake Bully Buster, Captain Nobody, Third Grade Detectives, The Cobweb Confession, Third Grade Detectives, The Clue of the Left-Handed Envelope. And in case you're wondering, this is Sonlight Core B and C. The Chalk Box Kid, Red Sails to Capri. So I should say B+C, because actually I want to tell you how awesome Sonlight is. So I called them because I wanted to make sure that I was putting her in the right core since we have never done Sonlight before, and they were awesome, and they asked me all kinds of questions. And because I, at first when I was looking, I thought, well, I'll just do core B, and she was like, no, I wouldn't do that. She's like, you know, I would recommend that you do B+C. So they kind of push two cores together. So because I was looking at a 4-day-a-week program, and this is a 5, so it's a 5-day because it's core B+C. Detectives in Togas, just a little disclaimer. Little Pear, The Year of Miss Agnes, Henry Huggins. So excited. Like, some of these books I've read and some of these I've not. The Paintbrush Kid, Brave Kids, True Stories from America's Past, Cora Freer. I guess that's the author. Yeah, Cora Freer. Viking Adventure, Owls in the Family, The House on Walenska Street, Goonie Bird Green. That looks like a funny little book. Charlotte's Web. So we'll be reading this one again. We loved Charlotte's Web, but it was been several years ago that we just read it to her. She was young. I want to say she was only maybe 5. Gladys Aylward, The Adventure of a Lifetime. George Mueller, The Guardian of Bristol's Orphans. Sticks Across the Chimney. Question of Yams. The Last Little Cat. Riding the Pony Express. Clara and the Book Wagon. And I could read Prairie School. All right, so let's see what else is in here. So we also received a World Marketable Map. It's like a wet or dry erase type map. It's really nice, actually. Super nice. Can't wait to hang it. So there's a world map on this side, and then there's a map of the United States on the other side. Also, we got Geography Songs, 34 fun songs, and it has a CD in there. And also we received 3 readers, level 3 readers. And that was the other thing that I had discussed with her. Like, because, you know, some of these books that she's going to be reading on her own. So I had a really long discussion, like, do I want her to be, like, what do I want to say? How challenged did I want her to be? Because I don't want her to start to dislike reading either. And so it was suggested that we go to level 3 readers, even though she will be a 4th grader. And her reading is actually come along tremendously. She's reading really, really well, but I want her to continue to love reading because she has gotten so that she loves reading. So we are doing science level B. So animals, astronomy, and physics is this. And I think, yeah, there's all kinds of stuff, but I will do a more in-depth look. I don't want to pull all this stuff out of here right now. So that means you're going to have to stick around. You're going to have to stick around to see what all this stuff's all about, y'all. And then B+C, Intro to World History. Remember I said we're doing B+C. So, yeah, this is really cool. And let's see what else is in here. First Encyclopedia of the Human Body, Usborne book. Love Usborne books. They're awesome. The B+C timeline figures Intro to World History 1 year condensed. So this is, I guess, timeline with all the people to put in our timeline book, which I'm assuming must be in here. Yep, I was right. Here it is, the timeline book. So all of that stuff will go in our timeline book. So excited to do this stuff. Yay! Okay. I feel like a kid at Christmas. The Aesop for children. Usborne Time Traveler. This is a nice book. Wow. Nice book. And The Magic School Bus at the Waterworks. Yeah, at the Waterworks. Sorry. All right, 2 more books. Almost to the end. The Usborne Book of World History. This is another beautiful book. Wow, I am so excited to read these books. And last but not least, Usborne World of Animals. Look at how gorgeous that book is. Woo! So, that was my surprise unboxing. Okay, everyone, there it is. There's my surprise unboxing. We are moving in a totally new direction at the Homeschooling Grammy, and we are so excited. It is Christian-based, it is literature-based, it is everything that we love about homeschooling. So make sure that if you didn't see my first unboxing, that you go ahead and take a look at that video. It's a very short video. It just shows some of the other things that we are going to be using in our homeschool, and I will make sure to put it up here in the iCards for you. Stick around because I am so excited. I am going to be sharing with you something that I saw on one of the Sonlight Facebook group forums. That a fellow Sonlight mama had posted about how she basically like stored her curriculum, her Sonlight curriculum, because there's so many books. And I was like kind of fretting about, okay, you know, I mean, we don't live in a huge place, and you know, I already have a bookcase full of books, and this was brilliant. And I am so excited to share this with you. I wish that this lady had her own YouTube channel, because I would totally shout her out, but she's just another regular homeschool mama like all the rest of us. And so I'm really excited to share this and how much fun it's going to be. So make sure that you stick around, and I will talk to you again soon. God bless and take care.